Hey everyone, thanks for watching. So today we find out the gender of my sister's baby. We're throwing her a gender reveal, and the only way I could convince her to do it was if she could find out today what the gender is. So today I will be showing y'all how to make a gender reveal box. I thought gender reveals were really popular, especially with the box and the balloons, so I was surprised to find there were not many options online. I was just trying to find a plain box. All I could find were some Etsy listings, and it was pretty pricey for a box that I'm just gonna throw away after. So I wanted to find a way to make one, and that's what we'll be doing today. I will also be giving y'all some ideas for things that you can get so you can do a gender reveal the day of. So first up, you will need 4 boxes of the same size. These didn't cost anything because they are from my sister's office. They're copy paper boxes, but as you can see, if you were to purchase some online, the smaller boxes are a lot cheaper than just one large box. However tall you want it will depend on how many boxes you will need. You will need some type of gift wrap or poster paper in order to wrap the box once we have it all assembled. And all we're gonna do is cut out the bottom of the boxes, and then we are going to tape them together until it makes one large box. You wanna be sure you're taping it really well on all 4 sides, that way it is as sturdy as possible. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take some paper and wrap it around the box. As you can see, the paper does fit perfectly around the outside of the box. Once you're done wrapping it all around, this is how it looks in the inside. As you can see, there's lots of space. So now I'm going to go ahead and decorate the outside of the box. I got a boy and a girl balloon from AliExpress, my favorite online website, and I'm going to tape these on the outside of the box. I did leave the straw in on the bottom, so right before the reveal I can really quickly blow them up as much as possible and then pull the straw out. I did end up gluing it afterwards because I didn't feel like the tape would be secure enough. And now I'm going to show you a couple ideas on things that you can purchase for a day of gender reveal. So I got some of these party poppers from Amazon. I wanted to have something for my nieces so that they didn't feel left out of the reveal. I got pink and blue, and then once I knew if it was a boy or a girl, I spray painted the poppers black. That way they didn't know if it was pink or blue. I did order an all-white cake, so once I know what the gender is, I can go ahead and decorate the top of the cake with either pink or blue sprinkles. These sprinkles were only $1 from Michael's. With a coupon, they ended up only being 50 cents. They did have about 4 or 5 different designs in the pink and blue colors, and then they haven't come in the mail yet, but I also got pink and blue smoke bombs. So that is all for my gender reveal ideas. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.